Hello guys, welcome to English Simplified, and today I'm going to start a series called Quick Vocab Bite. So basically एक short video होगा and this will cover only one phrase or one vocab, and this is just for the purpose of quickly understanding one vocab. I'm sure we all have so many things to do. So the word for today, the vocab for today is out of nowhere, and let's look at the meaning first before we get into the sentence examples. Okay, so the meaning is very suddenly and unexpectedly. कोई भी चीज़ अब अचानक से होती है without any warning information. In हिंदी में कई बार हम कहते हैं कि पता नहीं कहाँ से ऐसा हो गया, right? So that is what it means, and सिर्फ meaning समझने से बात नहीं बनेगी. I have said many times, you need to understand the different contexts or situations where we use that word, okay, or that phrase. So let's look at few examples. I put visuals so that you can better understand the context in which we use those words. So let's start. The first example is this is office situation. My boss is quite unpredictable, and even if everything is going smooth, he can call me out of nowhere and vent his frustration. तो मेरा बॉस बड़ा unpredictable है और सब कुछ अच्छा भी चल रहा हो तो भी अचानक से पता नहीं कहाँ से वो कॉल कर सकता है, कॉल कर देता है और अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकाल देता है. सो ऑब्वियसली look at this picture, the ultimate result is disappointment. And next would be a sports situation. So we were about to lose the game, but the next batsman hit 4 sixes out of nowhere and won the game for us. यानी कि हम गेम हारने वाले थे and पता नहीं कहाँ से unexpectedly, उम्मीद नहीं थी, next batsman ने 4 sixes लगा दिए and we won the game. So look at this guy, he's excited obviously. Next is this is a general travel situation. We lost all hopes of getting help on the highway. हमें कोई उम्मीद नहीं थी कि हमें कोई अब हेल्प करेगा इस हाईवे में, बट आउट ऑफ नोवेयर पता नहीं कहाँ से एक पुराना दोस्त मुझे मिला. ही saw me, he noticed me, and he rescued me out of the situation. Okay, so obviously look at this lady, she's surprised. Next is maybe the last one is a general situation when we talk among the friends. We were also focused on our career discussion in future. हम सब busy थे एक stream को लेके, एक particular topic को लेके, and out of nowhere पता नहीं कहाँ से he started talking about cricket. Okay, so that's why this guy seems confused, because obviously out of nowhere indicates कि कुछ जो हुआ है वो बहुत अचानक से हुआ है, उसकी कोई उम्मीद नहीं थी. Doesn't really make sense. Okay, so I'm sure ये vocabulary आपको clear हो गई होगी. You are good to go with this, but please note, I have mentioned in my videos earlier also कि आपको सिर्फ वर्ड को और उसके मीनिंग को नहीं समझना है. You also have to understand the sentence. You have to read out some sentences. You have to understand the context, the situation, the style with which those vocabs are used. Okay, and I have covered this the same thing in one of my videos, which is Impact of Hindi on English part 2. So please go and check that. And the bottom line is this, guys, dictionary will give you many synonyms, but you need to understand there are different ways, places where we use a specific phrase or vocabulary. So I'm sure you have understood this, and please contact for any queries. As you can see on my screen, phone number है, WhatsApp में भी यही है. I have my email here. So Facebook है, Instagram है. So please share it on those portals, maybe Facebook, Insta, and I also update my WhatsApp status. So please subscribe and let others also know about this. So thank you so much for now. I'll come with the next vocab very soon. Thank you.